Nag-emerge na, guys.
Nara guys, oh. Nara yung bakpas na queen guys. Ang tanaw guys, mo sila pagkahalong Italian.
Italian or Cordoban.
Pula-pula mo siya guys.
So this year, this is the 2025 Queen Bee.
Shout out to Puloy B guys.
Na
muhang
gibay na mo kang Puloy Bees. So be looking next month na or next week na mangitlog na siya guys. So this the hive is morning na queenless adtong niagi guys. So among gikuanan kay
namos nang i-observe guys, basig.
Nag-observe sa si Bob Smith guys. The B-man.
That's all guys. Don't like to share and follow our content.
That's all guys. Thank you for watching.